Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to export source code files from Replit AI. If you want to download your source code files from Replit AI, it's easy to export them either as a folder or a zip file so you can use them on your local computer or share them with others. Exporting your files is useful if you want to back up your projects, move them to another IDE, or collaborate with teammates outside Replit. Replit AI keeps all your code in the cloud, but downloading ensures you have a copy offline, which is handy for editing, testing, or version control. First, open Replit AI in your browser, then click on Login at the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on Continue with Google and choose your Google account to log in. Once you are logged in, you will see your dashboard. Now, click on Apps from the left side menu. Here, select Python and then click on Python 1 to open your project. Inside your project, you will see all the files listed on the right side. You can also use the search bar to quickly find the file or folder you want to download. Then, click on the three dots next to the file or folder you want to export and select Download Folder. This will download the folder directly to your computer. If you want to download the entire project, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the project window. Then click on Download as Zip. Once the download is complete, go to the top right corner of your browser to access the downloaded zip file. Click on it to open it. Inside the folder, you will find your Python files. Click on any Python file to view its content or open it in your preferred code editor. Now your source code files are successfully exported from Replit AI, and you can continue working on them offline or in any other IDE. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.